Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Megaman. Let's start by drawing his helmet, and let's just start by drawing a curved line and kind of finish off the end here, and starts to head back to the top of the helmet, and we'll just draw a line here that shows the form of this projection, and we'll continue on with drawing the helmet, and so his head's going to be kind of like this shape right here. So continuing on a little bit here, let's continue on to the left and then continue the right side of this helmet this way, kind of like a circle, and we'll stop right here because right here we've got this projection for his ear, the ear part of the helmet, and here we're just going to draw an oval. And then another oval just on the inside but closer to the right, and then an inner line which shows the inside of this ear part, and then these lines that are more or less parallel going outward. Now we can continue the line of the helmet down here. Okay, and then from here we're going to finish the inside of the helmet. So it's going, here's the center of the helmet, so it's going to come to a point like right about here, this dot. So this is just going to be a curved line that goes out and then meets up with that line we had drawn earlier. And then we've got the other side of this helmet going off to the left, meeting that line. So now we can go ahead and start drawing his face. We're going to continue this line to the chin, which is kind of pointed, and then going on to the cheek, then we're going to go out to the left and then start curving in and then out again towards the corner of the helmet. This is the inside of the helmet, and we can go ahead and darken that. And we've got the other side of the earpiece, so let's go ahead and draw a curved line right there. Right here then we've got another part that projects from his helmet, so let's just draw a soft cornered square, and again a line here that shows the form of that. Let's draw the eye. The bottom of the eye will be right here, so let's just draw a couple lines, one on top of the other, and then a big curved line for the top of the eye that goes to the left. So then now we can draw a long vertical oval for the iris, and then the blue pupil will be right there. Let's draw the other eye then, and we're going to come off this point in a curve that goes up and then back down. And then we can draw the pupil and the iris right there, and these lines here, we'll repeat that on the left side. Okay, just a upside down triangle for the nose, and finally his mouth where the outer corner is open, so this is again a long triangle, and an upside down triangle again for the bottom lip. Okay, so just draw a line underneath the jaw for the collar, and let's draw his right shoulder. It's going to come out here to the left, and then right here then will be his cannon. So from the elbow we'll draw a curved line first going inward to the tip of the cannon, and here we'll draw a curved line to show the inner part of the tip of the cannon, and then extend the line out a little bit to the right so that it looks like it's projecting out, and then finish this with a curved line. And then just like the ear, we'll draw an oval right there, and again just like the ear, an inner line, and then parallel lines. Let's finish off the bottom of the arm just like the upper. From here, go down and then start heading towards the elbow to meet up with that first line. Okay, we've got these openings here on the lateral aspect of the arm. Draw a couple lines that kind of diverge and connect them. And just like the ear, we're going to have an inner line that shows some depth as far as going inward, and draw vertical lines on the inside. So let's go ahead and draw the other arm. So coming off the ear here, we're going to just draw a line out and then a curved line, and then finish off the arm by diverging from that upper line. Let's draw the hand. From here, we're going to draw a big curved line out, and then here, right here then will be the thumb. Go in a little bit, draw this line that goes down and then over, because the thumb bends right here, and finish off the tip of the thumb. And then let's go ahead and draw the rest of the fist. So vertical line down here and then over, and then here we're just going to draw like a little bit of a curly Q, and we can separate the fingers with these vertical lines. Kind of a simple looking fist, and then a wavy line up here for the knuckles. Let's just add a fold line here to separate the fist from the arm. Let's go ahead and draw the right side of the body here. Just a vertical line, and then this will curve into its waist, and then down here his waist will then continue on down here, and then to the right for the leg. Let's also draw the right leg here. Just go out, and then let's draw the crotch area here and just curve out the bottom right here where the legs are going to meet. So we've got an extra line on either side of the brief, and then we can finish off the legs, and that should pretty much be it. I'm just gonna darken some of the outlines. I'm also going to taper some of these lines. Just going to add some shadow lines next. Some form shadow where this part is darker than this part of the helmet. This part right here also will be darker than this part because the light's shining from the upper left. And I'm going to darken the right side of the body and just add some of these shadow lines as well. And the lower part of the arm, of course, will be a little bit darker. Alright, so that's it. This was Megaman. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.